Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through downtown Kingston and we're going to take a tour of the Port Royal Street Revetment project. So we are currently on East Street and we're going to head over to Port Royal Street and take a look at the progress that's being made with the project. Now, the Port Royal Street Revetment project is a project to fix or renovate the Port Royal Street and also to shore up the shoreline on the coast. So they are fixing the road. It's a very nice 6-lane road now, and they have also done some work to reinforce the coastline, and they've built a boardwalk, and they're trying to get persons to come down to the area and use it as an entertainment place. Like the fishing, they've built somewhere where you can park. On the Palisades Strip, they built a boardwalk and it's very popular. Persons walk there and the fishing. So they're trying to do that for the central Kingston area. And so they have renovated a part of Port Royal Street in the vicinity of Raytown and built a very nice boardwalk, built a parking area where you can park, use the boardwalk, go fishing, go walking. It's part of the project that the government has to renovate downtown Kingston. So I think it's an excellent project and it's almost finished. So we're just going to take a quick tour to see what's going on with it. Now, a lot of persons refer to this project as the Kingston waterfront because it's built right on the coast. Alright, so this is the project now. On the right is the Kingston Harbour. We are on Port Royal Street now, and on the left is GP, General Penitentiary. It's a prison, or I think the correct name is the Tower Street Correctional Facility. Okay, so as you can see, this road was recently renovated. It's 6 lanes. They put in the white lines, nicely done, and they have a separator, concrete bar. Well, it's more like a sidewalk separating both sides. Now on the right is the area that was built where persons can park to use the boardwalk. Now, I heard recently that the government is looking into moving the prison. It won't be done for now, nothing concrete, but I guess discussions are on the way, and they said it would cost about 8 billion Jamaican dollars to move the prison. Because with this area being renovated, a lot of persons were saying the prison was an eyesore. But I don't think that's the reason why they're moving it. I think the prison is just old and doesn't have much longer in terms of without needing major infrastructure. So it was discussed, and a cost of $8 billion was thrown out there. Alright, so we're going to make a U-turn here and take a tour of the area. So on the right is the Raytown fishing village, and very popular place for people to buy fish. Behind these buildings is the Kingston Harbour, and you have a lot of boats behind there where the fishermen go out and come in and they sell the fish at this point here. And this is the central Kingston area. So we really have to say the government did an excellent job with this project. It would have been nice if they had paved over more of the road, but I guess in time. So if you're driving from the airport to downtown Kingston, this is the main route, the main road you would take, the main route. Okay, so over here now on the left is the parking area that was built. So the idea is you come down here and park, and then you can go fishing in the harbor or just walk on the boardwalk. And that's the boardwalk that you see there on the left. Now straight ahead you can see where they reinforced the coastline. So this is a very nice project. You always love to see the country progressing. Straight ahead is the GP, or the Tower Street Correctional Facility. And this prison was built hundreds of years ago, but this is now prime real estate because it's overlooking the harbor. And straight ahead you can see so many high-rise buildings, and they're all built overlooking the harbor. So when the time comes for them to move this prison, you can build so many high-rise buildings over there. And with this road, a 6-lane road, you have easy access to those buildings. So there you can see the boardwalk. Now, the only thing left for this project to be completed is where you see those white pipes sticking out of the ground, they are going to put street lamps. And once that's done, the project should be finished. They've planted these trees. A subscriber had mentioned that they should have planted palm trees. Not sure why they went with this type of tree. Now straight ahead is a very nice view of the Kingston Harbour. And it's a natural harbour. It's the 7th largest natural harbour in the world. So one of the major advantages of a natural harbour is the water is very calm. The water is not going to rise beyond a certain level. It's very calm. So you find if you were to build a port on this harbour, it will be very conducive to the loading and unloading of the ships because the water is very calm. Now you notice how many ships are in the harbour. That's because the port of Kingston, or the Kingston Container Terminal, which is the largest port in Jamaica, is located on the Kingston Harbour. Mainly because of its location, as we said, the advantages of a natural harbour. Now you have other ports along the harbour, but these buildings now are built so that they can overlook the harbour. This is prime real estate in Jamaica, the land overlooking the harbour. So we are on Port Royal Street. Straight ahead is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs building. Okay, the official name is Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade. Very nice building. And I've always said every government ministry in Jamaica should have a building like that. Very nice building. Now, on the right is the Grace Kennedy head office. It was recently built. Straight ahead, that with the building with the black glass on the left, that's the Scotia Centre. That's the 2nd tallest building in Jamaica. And all the way to the left is the Bank of Jamaica building. Now, on the right is the Air Jamaica building. And as you can see, this part of Port Royal Street was not renovated. That's why we said it would have been nice if they had just renovated it, paved over the entire road leading back to Marcus Garvey Drive. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.